Hello, my name is Weston Delaney, and I am here to explain how I made Tic-Tac-Toe in Unity. I first created the board, and then I created an X prefab and an O prefab that I then placed in each square and set them all to inactive. I then created 9 buttons that I placed over the top of each square, like this. I also have a turn indicator, so it allows the player to know whose turn it is, based on if it's X or if it's O. I did this by creating an int turns that starts at 0, which 0 is X and 1 is O. So here I have X turn.setActive, which will indicate that is the X player's turn at the start of the game. Coming down here, for the buttons, I had to create a function for each button to check if it was X's turn or O's turn. On X turn, it will set the X marker active or on click. Once it sets that active, it will also add 1 to the turn counter, which will then make it O's turn. Also, while doing this, it sets the X turn to inactive and the O turn to active. That is for the X turn. Then for the O turn, if it is O's turn, it will set the O marker to active instead of the X marker. It will then subtract 1 from the turn counter to make it 0 again, so it's X's turn. Like this. X goes, then it switches to O's turn. Once I got that done, I was able to move on to the win conditions. I had to create an array of game objects that I could then place all of the O prefabs into, like this. I created it 18 because there is 9 O's and 9 X's. So I placed them all inside the array. And then I came to the code and I coded out every possible O condition or O win condition and X win condition. So here it checks if O0, 1, and 2, like this, 0, 0, 1, and 2, if they are all O, then O wins, so on and so forth. If any of these conditions for the O are true, it will return true and come up here to update, and it will load the O winner screen. Same with the X. If any of those are met, then it will load the X screen. Then I came to the tie condition where I ended up having a little bit of trouble. And at first I was going to use if all buttons are inactive, then it could be a tie. But I couldn't figure out, or I didn't know if you could even do that. And then I was going to try if all the buttons are destroyed, but then I would have to code on-click destroy, and I also wasn't sure if destroying them would work. So I messed around a little bit, and I found out that on each button, you can do this right here, on-click change the tag. So I was like, okay, maybe that'll work. So each button starts as untagged, and then on click, it will change the tag to clicked. Doing this, I can check to see if all 9 of the button's tags are changed to clicked. So if they are all clicked, and if not O winner and not X winner, then it will load the tie screen. Here, I have the load play button from main menu to play, or the winner screens or tie screens to the main menu, like this. XO switches back and forth. So tie. If you click main menu, it'll take you back to the main menu. If you click play, then it takes you to play. That is my Tic-Tac-Toe in Unity. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good one.